Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is not going to be a vlog, but the last one was, which was us coming back from Nepal to here. And coming to America, it's been a lot more different. And the props of being in America, and then the cons of being over in Nepal. Like, there's a lot of different things going on. So I'm gonna have a new video for that in the next video. But for right now, my mom and dad actually gave me a new gift. So if you guys know, in Nepal vlogs, I was actually recording in a GoPro Hero 9. All thanks to Asang Chhewang, who actually let me use it in her vlogs. So thank you to Asang Chhewang. But actually, my parents, if you look over here, got me a new GoPro Hero 10. Alright guys, so for the rest of this, I basically explained to you guys what the GoPro is, its pros and cons. It shoots 4K at 120 frames per second, which is pretty impressive. But anyways, I'm going to be using this GoPro for a vacation vlog, which is going to be like a week. My uncle is actually coming over. That's why we're going to be doing this. We're going to be going all over the west coast of California and Oregon. But yeah, let's get back to the GoPro video, guys. It's amazing. It does 4K at 120 frames per second. The other one did 4K at 60 frames per second. It has 5.6 or 5.3K. You can actually see right there. And yeah, so I'm going to be opening it. Let's get to the unboxing right now. So you can actually see in the in the box actually, there's the battery included, the SD card, which has 60 gigabytes, I'm pretty sure, and then the box itself. Honestly, this box, if you compare it to me, is pretty small, but I mean, it feels decently heavy, so there's probably some stuff in there. Let me see if I can open this. Alright, so I got it open. Ooh, okay, so the whole box is in there, you can see. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay guys, look at this. This is the GoPro sign. This is the whole box. That's nice. It's a Hero 10. Let me open it right here. Ooh, okay guys, so that's really nice setup. You can see the two batteries right here. This is the actual Hero 10 itself. This is the charging case, and then this is like the thing you charge. So this is like this and this are the things you hang on the bottom of the GoPro, so you could connect it to a longer, I forgot what it's called, but where you to a stick, basically a selfie stick kind of. And then so yeah, so all we need right now, this is literally a complete set. All we need is a selfie stick, and then probably a case for this itself so it doesn't break. But yeah, instead of that, I think this looks really nice. So yeah, all of these videos are going to be captured in this GoPro Hero 10 right here. Let's see. I'm opening it for the first time. Oh, this is really sticky. So I want to kind of be careful, guys, here. And here is the time lapse. Alright guys, and then so yeah, that's it. And then there's also the SD card. You can see right here, the 60 gigabytes SD card. And then you can see the instructions and everything like that right here. So probably gonna be reading through this a lot. Yeah, and then what is this? Okay, so I'm not sure what this is, but I'm gonna figure out what this is, but yeah, not sure what that is right now. So yeah, anyways, so that is like the complete set right there, and I'll see you guys when we have all of it figured out and made. So I'll see you guys in like 15 minutes. Just found this out, but if you open this right here, the charging cords for the actual this and this to charge is right here. So English, I agree. Okay. Okay, so I guess I need to download the app, but so I'll see you guys when I download the app. Alright guys, so I just I downloaded the app. It's downloading on the background, so let me just set this up real quick. So today's July 20, no, it's actually 2022, so set that up. Let's see, currently it's 11. As I'm recording this, it's 11 12:15, so 15 p.m. So put that right there. Automatically update by connected to the GoPro. Okay. Boom, boom. Don't know why it's doing that. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see I have 1%, no SD card space. But yeah, 4K. I think 4K is the highest it goes. No, it doesn't. It goes to 5.3K, but then again, it's only 30 frames per second. And then 2.7K, that's 204 frames per second. I don't know what's the difference is between wide and super view, but alright guys, so like as I was recording this, I just realized the time and it was really late. It was like 11:40 something, but here you can see I got the SD card fixed. But you can see it's like 11:41, no, 47. Wow. And so it's really late, right? And so I need to sleep tomorrow, so I was like, okay, I need to be finished. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it's morning. It's 8:10. I'm gonna be making it up, and so I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Alright guys, taking these off. Alright, it's very nice. I'm gonna attach it to this, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Guys, I'm setting up the video quality that I want right now. You can see I set this up, pretty easy to set up. And so the cool thing about this is you can slide this into this right here, right? You slide it and then you remove the sticker and you can stick it to like a bike and do like a POV. And so that's really cool. I think I mentioned that yesterday. Anyways, this is a really nice GoPro. Setting it up right now. So let's see, wide lens, hyper smooth, scheduled capture, duration, no limit, hindsight off, timer off, zoom is 1%. So this is like the zoom. Anyways, we don't need that right now. So basically, there it is, standard. Yeah, that's why I picked standard 4K 60 wide. So that's gonna be my new thing that I wanna do it in. Maximum preference. You're all set. Turn off your GoPro. I also set up voice control, so watch this. GoPro. GoPro record. GoPro capture. Alright guys. You can see my iPad that I'm recording in. But yeah guys, that's the GoPro. Let me know if the quality is good. Alright, see you guys later. Alright guys, this is in a GoPro. So that's pretty much the setup for the GoPro. A few things. It's actually pretty much a lot better than the Hero 9. It does have a lot of similarities to the Hero 9, but it is a lot better than the Hero 9 in some aspects. Like in the Hero 9, I didn't know you could choose preferences for what you wanted, so like 60 frames per second, but that's probably just me. Let's see, not only that, it actually has a touchscreen, so you can switch from video to time-lapse. You know, I'm still learning a lot, but it is, in my opinion, a lot better than the Hero 9, the quality and everything. But yeah, thanks for guys for watching. And so yeah, that's the unboxing. I'm actually going to be doing a lot more, videos in the future. Probably still going to be uploading some Nepal videos if I haven't finished editing them. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys later.